Hello everyone, welcome to CBS Institute. In this video, we will going to see one of the important parts, which has been in news. That is, recently an article emerged in newspapers. That is, Pakistan to stay in grey list, to stay in grey list of FATF up to February 2021. February 2021. So this is the article appeared in many newspapers. Pakistan to stay on the grey list of FATF. FATF up to February 2021. So several times questions were raised with respect to FATF. With respect to FATF. So in this video, we are going to see the details of FATF. FATF. First one, FATF stands for Financial Action Task Force. Financial Action Task Force. Actually, it was established by G7 countries earlier in the year 1989. So G7 countries in 1989. See, there could be a question simply in FATF what T stands for, what A stands for, and what first F stands for, what last F stands for. This is Financial Action Task Force, established by G7 countries earlier in the year 1989. See, world is facing so many problems. So one of the problems that the current world is facing is money laundering, money laundering and also terrorism financing. See, for example, a person is there. So he earned money through illegal sources. Through illegal sources. For example, he has established several business organizations. Several business organizations. He also engaged in illegal business. An illegal business. Through this illegal business, for example, narcotics, drugs. Through this illegal business, he earned some crores of rupees. Now he cannot reveal the source of the income to the government because this is illegal. So what happens here is this person sends the money to some other persons abroad, some other persons in different countries. What these persons do is these persons create complex transactions. Complex transactions. The money goes to different countries. To different countries, and same money will come back to his businesses as form of investment. As form of investment. See, here it is illegal money. Here it is illegal money. So some other persons are coming and investing in the companies of this particular person. But investing is legal. Investing is legal. So black money, here it is going and coming as a white money. Coming as white money. So here complex transactions are created. Why? In order to conceal the source of money only. In order to hide the source of money. The money is generally gone through different complex transactions. So in order to conceal the original source of money, the money is made to go through the different complex transactions. That is called money laundering. That is called money laundering. So world is facing the money laundering problem also. So in order to tackle the issue of money laundering, an organization was set up in the year 1989. The organization was Financial Action Task Force. Okay. Another problem is some countries are also openly sponsoring terrorism. Okay, openly sponsoring terrorism. The countries are helping terrorist organizations financially, so that these terrorist organizations are attacking our country. Okay, some other countries also. Okay, so money laundering and terrorism financing. Okay, so initial objective of Financial Action Task Force was to tackle the issue of money laundering. Okay, later the mandate was extended to terrorism financing also. Okay, so there are two objectives, okay, for the Financial Action Task Force. The two objectives are, first one, in order to tackle with the money laundering issue. Another important point is in order to deal with the terrorism financing. Okay, terrorism financing. So money laundering and terrorism financing are main objectives. Okay, so are the main goals to tackle of the Financial Action Task Force. Okay, so there are 39 member countries. Okay, 39 member countries in FATF. Okay, so headquartered at Paris. Okay, headquartered at Paris, France. Okay, there could be a question. Financial Action Task Force is headquartered at which of the following cities? Okay, that is Paris. In which of the following countries? That is France. Okay, how many member countries are there? 39 member countries. India is also one of the members. Okay, so Financial Action Task Force prescribes the standards. Okay, they are to be followed by all the member countries. Okay, all the member countries. Okay, so here if FATF, okay, FATF finds a country has turned a safe haven for terrorism financing or money laundering, okay, Financial Action Task Force will take action against that country. Okay, how does FATF take the action? Okay, FATF maintains two lists. Okay, one is grey list. Okay, another is blacklist. Okay, another is blacklist. Okay, FATF maintains two lists. One is grey list and another is blacklist. Okay, if a country is turned a safe haven for money laundering and also terrorism financing, in order to give warning to that country, then the country will be placed under the grey list. Okay, under the grey list. Okay, so for example, earlier Pakistan has been placed under the grey list because FATF found Pakistan to be sponsoring terrorism, okay, and also money laundering. Okay, so Pakistan has been placed under the grey list. Okay, here FATF prescribes some criteria in order to meet. Okay, also FATF puts a time frame. Okay, puts a time frame within which the country which is in grey list have to prove that it is not sponsoring terrorism and it is not engaging in money laundering. Okay, so if the country proves that it is not sponsoring and FATF satisfies with the evidence provided by that particular country, then the particular country will be removed from blacklist, from grey list. Okay, from grey list. Even after putting under the grey list, if the country does not take any action, then the country will be placed under the blacklist. Okay, will be blacklist. Actually, grey list is a warning list. Okay, grey list is a warning list. If a country is placed under the blacklist, then there will be several financial consequences. Okay, for example, here some international organizations, World Bank, IMF, Asian Development Bank, okay, these international organizations will be very cautious while giving the financial assistance to the blacklisted country. Okay, to the blacklisted country. So there will be no loan from international organizations. Okay, no loan from international organizations. So presently North Korea and Iran, okay, these two are under the blacklist. Okay, under the blacklist. So presently these two are the blacklisted countries. Okay, so if a country is placed under the blacklist, then there will be several financial crisis. Okay, then there will be financial consequences. Okay, so these are the important points from financial action task force point of view. Okay, questions could be FATF is headquartered at which of the following countries? Okay, how many member countries are there in FATF? Okay, so often we come across grey list, okay, in newspapers. So grey list is associated with which of the following organizations? Could be a question. Okay, similarly blacklist can also be a question. Okay, so how many countries are there? 2 countries here. Okay, money laundering, terrorism financing. Okay, so these are the important points from financial action task force point of view. Okay.